If you will please remain standing. At this time, the opening ceremony will be presented by Amy Barreto, Kaiser, performing the Star Spangled Banner, guest of Representative Greg Barreto.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I probably don't need notes, but I was reminded not to forget anything about my daughter, Amy. She's 15 years old, and she is an honor student at Salem Academy. She has a 3.85 GPA. We have homeschooled her for 8 years, and now she is in a regular school, and I don't know that there's any going back. She has 2 older sisters and 4 older brothers and 1 younger sister. She's number 7. So she began singing about the time she started talking, and she is nicknamed the Nightingale. She is active in Union County, serving at the Senior Center, serving lunches there, and she enjoys children and is an experienced babysitter. When in Cove, she enjoys motorcycling, hiking, and spending time with friends. Here in Salem, she loves the city life. Amy will be traveling next fall to London, Paris, and Munich with her school. And I would also like to introduce our page, Cole. Cole McLean is a 6th grader from Cove Middle School, and he also has a 3.9 GPA. He is an exemplary citizen. He's an avid outdoorsman and active in the Boy Scouts. He's part of the local 4-H. He raises champion pigs for the stock show and Union County Fair. He also plays basketball, baseball, and football, in addition to 3 hours of homework every night. Cole enjoys traveling and has been living in Germany for 3 years prior to this. After graduating from college, he would like to follow in his father's footsteps and would like to be a dentist. Colleagues, please welcome Cole, his younger brother Cade, and his whole family who are up in the balcony. Thank you.